Hello, Wicked Wedding Singer. I'm going to teach you how to rejuvenate, stimulate, and replenish your whole body for a good night's sleep in 5 minutes. You might be asking, how in the world are you going to do this? Well, the secret is kind of weird. The secret lies in your sole of your foot. The sole of your foot has an acupressure trigger point that associates a particular part in your body. For example, if you have sciatic nerve issues, you would massage this area. And if you have a headache or dizziness, you will massage the head, ears, and eyes area, which is this right here. If you have heart issues, you might want to massage right here. Intestine problems, you might want to massage right here. But there's a lot of stuff to cover, so you want to replenish all your body. So you might as well massage the whole foot and feel the whole effect in 5 minutes. And the secret is in the water bottle. You use water bottle to massage your foot, crack your foot, like so. Do that for 5 minutes before you go to bed and you can feel a dramatic difference. I promise you that. Okay, please consult your doctor, physician, or chiropractor. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.